TBL45-16 has a flexible rear bucket. The deepest digging distance can reach 2.7 meters, and other types of buckets can be replaced. It is equipped with jack support, which can keep the body stable when operating the rear shovel, and can cooperate with the front bucket to stabilize the body steadily lifted off the ground, suitable for working in various environments. A variety of attachments can be easily replaced with quick change devices.